Now the highway is moving, at least in my area, is moving smoothly because of me, yes. And I'm not saying that because I think I'm the center of the world. Right now, I'm the center of loose traffic because there's heavy traffic up ahead. There's heavy traffic all the way behind me, which you guys can't see in the camera. But this general area around me is like a bubble of open traffic space where cars can move in and out, and we're, look at that. It's just beautiful. I love it. And I am the reason for it. Hey, baby. Oh, yes. See, I am in command here. Right? That is it. See, I have the power because I use my brain. Use your brain. Be in control of yourself and guess what? Of other people like I am now. I got this nice bubble because I saw the guys on the other side of the road. You see, they're all stuck. They say, look at the wonder over there. That section, it's a marvelous section of open traffic. Boy, I wish I was on that side. That's what they're saying. And I'm the one to thank for it. Hi, everyone. See, I'm not on your side. Sorry. If I was on your side, you would have much better traffic. But see you guys later. Maybe you'll still be there on my way back. All right.